business intelligence tool, okay, developed by Microsoft. Microsoft. Power BI is a Power BI is a business intelligence tool. Business intelligence BI tool. BI tool and data visualization tool. Power BI, business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. Developed by Microsoft. Okay, Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. Developed by Microsoft. It helps. It helps you connect to data from multiple sources. It helps you to connect to data from multiple sources, analyze it, analyze it, and create a and create a and create a interactive dashboards, interactive, interactive dashboards and reports. It helps you to connect to data from multiple sources, analyze it, and create a interactive dashboards and reports. This is about Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It helps you to connect to data from multiple sources, analyze it, and create a interactive dashboards and reports. Why should learn Power BI? Why should learn Power BI? Why should learn Power BI? Now, simply observing very clearly, Power BI is one of the most demanded data visualization tool. It is the most demand in the data visualization tool. First one is huge demand or high demand. High demand in the market. Almost every company uses BI tools to analyze the performance and make the business decisions. High demand. High demand. Almost every company uses BI tools to analyze the performance and make the business decisions. Next one, career growth. Second one is career growth. Career growth. Career growth. Power BI skills are required for roles in data analysis, business analytics, and reporting. Power BI skills are required for different roles like as a data analyst, business analyst, and a reporting domain. Next one, easy to learn. Easy to learn. This is a no code, low code platform. It is a low code, no code platform. That means we don't require coding skills. Just drag and drop features are there. As a beginner also, you are learning Power BI is very, very easy. Easy to learn. That means it is a no code, low code tool with the drag and drop features. With the drag and drop features. Next one, high salaries. High salaries. High salaries. Okay. Now simply observing very clearly, the Power BI professionals earn between, okay, 5 LPA to 15 LPA. That is a, especially in Indian market. Okay. Minimum 5 lakhs to maximum 15 lakhs depends upon your experience. Okay. Next one, it integrate with different tools. Integrate with the different tools. Integrates with the different tools. With the different tools like Microsoft Excel, next one, Azure, SharePoint, and we are using SQL, Python. Okay, integrates with the different tools and programming languages. Okay, these are the reasons should learn Power BI. High demand in the market, career growth, easy to learn. This is a no code, low code tool. Just it is providing drag and drop feature. That's why as a beginners also we are learning Power BI is very, very easy. High salary, integrating with the different tools, integrating with the different tools. Next, observing very clearly who should learn Power BI. Who should learn Power BI? Who should learn Power BI? Beginners. Students are beginners also to learn Power BI. Next, IT professionals. IT professionals and career switchers. Career switchers from non-IT to IT. Non-IT to IT. Okay, career switchers. Next one, business people, marketing, finance. IT professionals means like BI engineers, business intelligence people, or business analyst, business analyst, data analyst, data analyst, finance, finance, marketing, marketing people, marketing teams, data scientist, data scientist. Okay. Okay. Who should learn Power BI? Students are beginners, IT professionals, and career switchers. Career switchers. Okay. Students, IT professionals, and career switchers. Common job roles after learning Power BI. After learning Power BI. Job roles. Job roles. Power BI developer. Power BI developer. Okay, here what are the responsibilities of Power BI developer to build the dashboards, reports, and data models? Next one, data analyst, data analyst, business analyst, business analyst, or business intelligence analyst. Next one, data visualization specialist, data visualization specialist, data visualization specialist, reporting analyst, reporting analyst, reporting analyst, data engineer, and etc. Power BI developer, data analyst, business analyst, data visualization specialist, a reporting analyst. These are the job roles after learning Power BI. Okay, next one, Power BI certifications. 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 Okay, Microsoft providing one certification, simply observing very clearly Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst. Power BI data analyst, data analyst associate, data analyst associate. That certification number PL 300. It is provided by vendor is Microsoft. Microsoft. Next one, Microsoft data analyst associate legacy. Data analyst associate. Data analyst. Data analyst associate. Like as a DA 100. DA 100 certification number. This is also provided by the Microsoft. Microsoft. Okay, Power BI Data Analyst Associate PL 300 and Data Analyst Associate DA 100. Some third-party vendors like as a Coursera, Udemy, okay, Google or Microsoft providing as a beginner level professional certificate for the learning purpose. But these two are the as a professional certifications. Power BI Data Analyst Associate PL 300, Data Analyst Associate DA 100. Okay, this is about Power BI and why should learn Power BI, who should learn Power BI, job roles and certifications. This is about complete description about Power BI job roles.